everyone, welcome to Shriram Academy. This is Kritika. In this video, I am going to introduce and teach you all an interesting concept which enhances the children's ability in varied fields. Yes, we are going to learn about abacus. Abacus is a manual calculating device consisting of a frame holding parallel rods along with movable beads that can be used for calculations. Why abacus is important to children? As you know all, that the human brain is divided into left and right hemispheres. Research by physicians have established that the left hemisphere of the brain, referred to as digital brain, provides analytical information which controls reading, writing, calculations, logical thinking, etc. The right hemisphere of the brain, referred to as analog brain, which controls three-dimensional sensors, creativity, and artistic sensors. Science has proved that the continuous use of abacus can develop the unused right side of the brain, which enhances the whole brain development of individuals. This program enhances a good synchronization between the both parts of the brain. Abacus is a tool which made up of beads that can be handled with both the hands, and it plays an important role in enhancing the development of human brain. And it has many benefits in it, and we are going to see some of its benefits. First one, imagination. A rich imagination can enable a person to pursue and accomplish many great things. As the students keep on learning, their imagination skill gradually develops. Next is visualization. As the students are learning abacus, their visualization power will gradually increase. After 2 to 3 months, the students can visualize the abacus and move the beads accordingly. Next is concentration. The power of focusing one's attention for a longer time is not easy. While solving the problems in our class, we'll fix some time to finish certain sums. So the kids should pay full attention to complete a page. In a course of time, they can do the work with more concentration. This will certainly be helpful for other fields also. Next is speed and accuracy. As we discussed earlier about fixing the time for completing a page, the speed and accuracy of calculation will gradually develop. Next is photographic memory. A picture is worth 1,000 words. As you know well, that it is easy to remember a picture rather than words. Students who are learning abacus can have a better photographic memory when compared to non-abacus trained children. It sharpens the listening capacity, and it also provides a solid learning foundation for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Researchers also showed that abacus trained children are doing better in competitive exams when compared to other children. In this program, we are going to see 8 levels, and I am going to upload level by level videos, and I hope it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.